So as here you can see, this is chapter number 3 and we are doing extra question. यहाँ पे दिया है question, for what value of k the pair of equation has no solution. Means I have written this one separately because our answer will be based on this. If they are giving parallel lines or a unique solution, our condition will be changed. If they said there is no solution, means we have to think that solution नहीं है, means lines parallel होंगी. If lines are parallel, then what kind of condition we have? We having a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 and they both are not equals to c1 by c2. So our question will be based and it is very important that what is mentioned over here. If it is for unique solution, this condition will be changed. So here they said it has no solution, यानी हमारी condition इस form में आएगी. Now we have to find out from these pair of linear equation that what is our a1. So our a1 is 4, our b1 is -3 and our c1, I am not shifting both of them this side, so my sign will be same. अगर मैं दोनों को इस साइड लेके आऊँगी मीन्स साइन चेंज होगा. मैंने दोनों को उधर रखा है, देन आई एम नॉट चेंजिंग दी साइन. Now let me find what is a2, that is 2. Let me write that what is b2, that is k, because two variable are there. तो k भी एक variable है और हमें ढूंढना क्या है k. And what is our c2, that will be 11. So यहाँ पे बोला है for what value of k the pair of equation has no solution, यानी we have to find the value of k. Let us substitute this in this equation. Means on the place of a1 I will write that 4 and by 2 and that is equals to b1 by b2 means -3 by k and that is not equals to c1 by c2. Still we have to write the value. हम वैल्यू राइट करेंगे बट सिर्फ हम कंपेयर किसे करेंगे जो दो इक्वल है उन्हें. It means suppose if it is for that infinite many solution, तो तीनों तीन इक्वल आते हैं. अगर तीनों तीन इक्वल है तो हम किसी दो को भी कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. एंड समटाइम्स इट इज हैपनिंग दैट इफ यू आर कंपेयरिंग बोथ ऑफ दिस योर आंसर विल बी डिफरेंट एंड इफ यू आर कंपेयरिंग बोथ ऑफ दिस योर आंसर विल बी डिफरेंट. बट board wants that you have to write two answer at that time and they are giving it as correct. But right now it is not equal, so we are not comparing this. We will compare this one only. So let me reduce it. So it become 2 and that is equals to -3 and by k. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बच्चों को वापस प्रॉब्लम होगा बिकॉज सो मेनी शिफ्टिंग वी हैव टू डू. k हम इधर लेके जाएंगे एंड 2 हम उधर लेके जाएंगे. So if you are taking k this side, so -3 is as it is. So we are changing the place of k. k इधर गया तो 2 will come down. Means what we are getting answer of k we are getting as -3 by 2. They asked us to find the value of k. We have found the value of k is -3 by 2. But as I told you the question and what is important, this condition is very important. If they are asking for no solution, condition will be changed. If they are asking infinite many solution, this condition will be changed. And if they are telling us that it is for unique solution, so this condition will again change. So we have to read question properly and then apply this condition and we have to find the unknown value. So here again one extra question is there. They said that solve the following pair of linear equation. And they gave in this form. They not gave us in the form of means coefficient, not in the form of numbers. It is in variable, यानी यहाँ पे भी variable है, यानी so many variables are there, x, y, a and b. Then how we are going to solve? So let us see. We will solve it by elimination method. So it is b by a x, a by b y and that is equals to a square plus b square. And here we having x plus y and that is equals to 2ab. Here we having two options. As I told you, we can substitute value also. That is also very easy for us. And we can do elimination also. But problem is there, elimination में यहाँ plus minus का problem आता है. So that is depend on you that which you like to do. Else if you are doing in the form of substitution method, you just have to shift that x. Now you can substitute the value of y in this form and you can solve it. So you will get the value of x in the form of a and b. यानी नंबर के फॉर्म में तो नहीं मिलेगा बट हमें a और b के फॉर्म में मिलेगा. So let me टीच यू दिस बाय फर्स्ट सब्सटीट्यूशन मेथड से मैं सिखाना ट्राई करूँगी. सब्सटीट्यूशन. So if you are substituting value of y, this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. I made head of y, so substitute value of y in equation 1. तो वो कैसे दिखने लगेगा? Let us see. It is b by a in the form of x, a by b, and the y is 2ab minus x, and that is equals to a square plus b square. Now we have to solve it. Let us do the process. b by ax. यहाँ पे हम solve क्या करेंगे? हम इसे multiply कर सकते हैं. So if we are multiplying, it will become 2a square by b by b. I am just multiplied this with this term. Again we have to multiply it with x, so it will become ax by b, and that is equals to a square plus b square. Now b will cancel out. So here what we are getting, so हमें जो मिल रहा है वो ये है. x को हम यहाँ पे रहने देंगे, a हम उस साइड शिफ्ट करेंगे. So we are getting b by ax minus a by bx, and that is equals to a square plus b square, and let us shift that to a square that side, so it is plus, it will goes there and it will become minus. यानी हमें जो मिल रहा है, लेट अस राइट अगेन. यहाँ पर हम एलसीएम ले सकते हैं, वी हैविंग ऑप्शन, क्योंकि यहाँ a है और यहाँ b है. सो वी वांट b ओवर हियर, सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई b in numerator also, in denominator also, as well as here we will multiply a. So how it will look like? So it will look like abx upon ab, and it will look like abx by ab. Okay, and that is equals to what? 2a square में से a square कट होगा, so it will looking like b square minus a square. Okay, so till now we are getting this thing. Okay, now what is happening? So let us write over there. यहाँ पे a b की कमी थी, हमने b मल्टीप्लाई किया, और यहाँ पे a मल्टीप्लाई किया. So what is happening? Let me write over here. So it will become b square, and it is becoming a square. ठीक है. Now what we have to do? We will write it is b square x minus a square x by ab, and that is equals to b square minus a square. Let me take x common. So what will remain over there? B square minus a square will remain over there, and it is ab. Let me take ab that side. So it is looking like b square s square into ab. अब जब मैं इसे पूरा कट कर लूँगी, क्योंकि ये मल्टीप्लाई में यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा, तो वो ऑलरेडी कट होगा. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? सो x इज इक्वल्स टू ab. सो वी गॉट वैल्यू ऑफ x, दैट अगेन वी हैव टू सब्सटीट्यूट ओवर हियर. दिस इज इक्वेशन 3. सो यहाँ पे लिखेंगे सब्सटीट्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ x इन 3. सो इट इज लुकिंग लाइक y इज इक्वल्स टू 2ab minus x. So it is looking like 2ab minus ab. So it is looking like ab only. So यहाँ पे हमें x का वैल्यू भी ab मिला, और हमें y का वैल्यू भी in the form of ab मिल रहा है. So here what I want to say is that this kind of question in board exam, so many times they are asking for the higher marks like 4 marks and 3 marks, and you can use any method which is convenient to you. So this is the whole concept.